chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the black off-white Zoomfly.
Cooking soul.
Keep your mind on your mask, kid. Horror form of class.
So as per usual, we'll go over the details on the shoe, and then we'll follow it up with a full on-foot video after that. So we have the black off-white Zoomfly in hand. It's fully murdered out, this pair, all black. A few spots of white and light blue hand tag, but the full upper is that TPU material all across the upper, the same as the original pair, with the stitched on swoosh on the side. The material on the swoosh they stitched on is sort of like, remember when you had those holographic cards as a child, and they used to have those little slits going through them? It's sort of like that. So it's got some sort of texture on the swoosh as well. So we've got a nice light blue, baby blue hand tag that contrasts well against the black upper, and then we've got this orange little tab as we've got on the OG pair, and we've got the Nike Sportswear logo on the tongue as well on a little tab, and got the off-white for Nike Zoomfly on the medial side of the shoe. Got the pull tab on the back in the same TPU material as well. On the inside we've got the off-white logo with the 10 text in there as well. The outsole is fully black. It's got like that same, it's sort of the same blue, but it looks more grey. So we've got the foam text in quotation marks, and full black outsole, nothing too special there as well. I have worn these. I went half size up this time. My OG pair over here was actually a full size up, so yeah, half size up fit me pretty well as well. Just as comfortable as the OG pair. There's no difference in the sense of how they feel on foot, and they are, to this day, in my opinion, one of the most comfortable shoes of the year. And I think the Zoomfly, I'm glad it's still one of the most underrated silhouettes by Nike, because it was just not too difficult to pick these up, and the resale value isn't high at all on these. It's just a little bit over retail, which is a good thing for everyone looking to pick these up. With the pair you get the black shoelaces that are already in them, that obviously have the shoelace text. The extra set of laces you get with these are white ones with fluorescent orange colour text. So yeah, compared to the OG pair which I have here, the main differences are the logo on the tongue on the new pair states Nike Sportswear. This one just has white and red Nike swoosh with the text on the tab without the sportswear. The finish on these, the older pair, is on another level compared to these. On this black pair I can see gaps, glue marks, all different parts of the shoe spotted around. Don't know if you'll be able to see them, but just where the upper connects to the midsole you can see all the glue markings which it is a nice finish considering they're charging £150 for this certain pair of shoes. Whereas this pair, the finish on this pair all the way around, there's nothing out of place. The stitching is nice and neat on the swoosh. There's no glue stains whatsoever anywhere, there's no gaps. With this one, I feel like the stitching on the orange tab is a little bit loose compared to the OG pair. It seems like the stitching had a lot more care taken and a little more time put into it for the first run of the pairs that came out. With these, it just feels a little bit rushed and thrown out to the consumer, but nevertheless, I'm still happy with these. I beat these ones quite a lot, so I think it's time for these to get worn that same amount. Sizing wise, I'd always suggest you to go half a size to a full size up. It's always a plus if you can try a pair on, but don't gamble going true to size on these, because that shit won't fit. Retail price was £150, which was the standard retail price for the OG pair. Yeah, with these ones, my good friend Liam managed to pick them up on the Sneakers app, and he sent them right over as soon as they came. Yeah, that's the first hyped Sneakers app release we've actually won as a collective. There's about 8 to 10 of us that always enter the raffles on sneakers on the Sneakers app, and Liam was the only one that won this pair, and I think I had a couple other people enter for me. But L's all around, considering there were so many of these floating around afterwards. I'll have a quick on foot coming after this, show you guys how they look on foot. I'm a big fan of the transparent upper, so I'll try and get some nice socks on and make them look a bit better. But yeah, that's the black off-white Zoom Fly, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
To the dark side. We've conquered
Cooking soul.
new evidence that there is life. My folk prognosis make my brains come a toast. 100% folk runs bloodstreams through your nose. I don't have to be Madonna to make your eyes freeze. Visines for eyes when you smoke the Thai weed. For this, you need a journalist, scientist. Keep your eye in this folk cosmical, far from logical. I blow the spot up in any hood and full blocks. Make the bully of the block move and get new locks. Now who kicks that phenomenal, astronomical? That's my night and you feeling nauseous. That's my rhyme and you. I swing folk like no chucks, my game step. That's cool when I blind fools like Kareem Abdul. Hot like Force Messiah. Sometimes I get more higher than Cheech. My folk speech make words where sun